I live in Ballabgarh. I have done my schooling from government school. I have done my graduation from MD University. Now I am pursuing my SAP software. My short-term goal is to get a job in well-reputed company, and my long-term goal is to become a successful person in my life. And I am here to talk about overthinking. So I have a question. What is overthinking? Overthinking is when you stay on thoughts and problems too much, often leading to stress and anxiety and depression. And it involves replaying the past and worrying about the future instead of taking action and stay and living in the present. Like I have an example that if someone wants to prepare UPSC exam, he do not take any step, he do not take any action. He just thinking about how will I take the exam. If I fail in exam, so what will be happen with me? Least I should parents not trust. What will happen with me? So he think a lot instead of taking action. Now here are some points, the impact of overthinking. Firstly, our mental health. Our mental health will be spoiled when a person become overthinker, and overthinking raised anxiety, stress and depression. And when a person become overthinker, he could not able to take any decision. His decision paralysis will be spoiled. He do not take any simple decision because of overthinking, and also his productivity also loss. Before overthinker, he is a productive man and woman. After become overthinker, his productivity totally lost. And the last, strained relationship. 75% conflict in relationship just because of overthinker. If a partner is doubt on his or her partner, so after doubting, she can ask so many questions from her partner. So the partner minds will be spoiled, and after that so many conflict in the relationship. So by overthinking, our relationship will be spoiled. So how can we overcome of overthinking? Take action and live in the present. So first is set realistic goals. Don't take action, and when someone suggests you should do that thing, you should do this thing. You know about your capacity, you know about your ability. So you should set your realistic goals. Do not You should not go after your control. So, and the second one, seek support. If you are in a trouble, so talk with your friends, talk with your parents, where they give you emotional support, so you can overcome to your overthinking. And the third one is celebrate small wins. You should celebrate a small things. When you take a first step, you should celebrate that. So it will help you get confidence. You can do many things. And last one, be mindful. Be mindful what are you doing. Generally what we do, when we are studying, and after that one notification comes in our mobile, so automatically our focus on our mobile, and we use mobile uh, we use our mobile, our focus will be spoiled. So the conclusion is overthinking can harm your mind, reduce your focus and productivity, and also your relationship will be spoiled. So instead of this, it's better to stay calm, take action, and not get too stuck in too much in thoughts. Thank you.